Time to look at a Blizzard Strike figure. The Blizzard Strike figures are a bunch of figures, at least two anyway, from Season 2 of Transformers RID 2015, or as I like to call it, Transformers RID 2016, because that's when it airs. Basically, Optimus and a bunch of the others were out looking for a Transformer known as Polar Claw, who's a Decepticon, which is interesting, because there's also a Beast Wars figure by that name, and he's a Maximal. And Optimus is like, okay, we all stick out like a sore thumb in this icy tundra, and he's got Arctic camouflage. Let's scan something cool. Basically, he just scanned I think it was like an Arctic outpost vehicle, and it was white. So the figures are blue and white. A lot of white. A lot more blue than white, but there is white on them. And that somehow worked. Also, Polar Claws got sonic waves, and they suck underwater. They do absolutely nothing underwater. Okay, so this is basically the same mold as Optimus Prime from last year. Even has the same axe, it's just in blue. There's also a drift I have over there, but I'll get to that another day. I wanted to do the deployer's drift, but I keep losing parts of the mini-cons. Transform him, exact same transformation. There you can see more of his white. Doing a lot of this off screen because you guys have already seen this. I believe I already reviewed the original Optimus from RID 2015. There is a fix for this part where his hand sticks out more, but I do not know how to do it, so I'd rather not. And I'm not really bugged by the fact that his hand is behind the grill. And then you have Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime. Yeah, I've done this mold before, but I felt like doing Blizzard Strike. Pretty sure I've done this mold before. I think Optimus actually is canonically right-handed, because a lot of the world is right-handed, so yeah. Other figures to get this camo mode were Sideswipe and Windblade. Yes, Windblade, the first ever fan-made Transformer, is in a TV show. I do not have her handy, however. And yeah. Oh, they also have desert camo modes, but I have not seen desert camo mode figures. Maybe they like split it up, and half of them have desert camo, and half of them they have vehicle mode camo or Arctic camo. But then why haven't I seen an Arctic camo Slipstream or what version of Drift's Minicons? Oh well. Optimus looks good in blue and white, I have to admit. He kind of looks more like Ultra Magnus, honestly, but Ultra Magnus isn't in the series, so close enough. By the way, I'd like to point out something Straight Bolt Matrix said a while back on his review of the Battle Core Optimus Prime for Combiner Wars. I have one problem with him saying that he kind of likes it as an Ultra Magnus. There's already an Ultra Magnus. That's all I gotta say. I think I mentioned this before. I have no plans to give Valacor, but yeah, I do plan to see if I can find Wave 6 eventually. Tiny Masters are coming out later this year, so who knows what I'm going to get later this year for you guys to see. Hoping to find Titano / Brachio, or whatever you want to call him. I still find the name Titanos or it's stupid. See, he's Brachigas. See you next time.